School ng Bagong Baro, Caloocan. Ako si Daniela Marosing Adriano.
Ako nga po pala si Jasmine Nicole Baltasar.
At ako naman si Charmin Halio. At nandito kami upang mag-interview ng ilan sa mga guro. Samahan niyo ko at pag-usapan kung paano at kailan nagsimula ang paaralang ito.
Isa sa mga guro na nakakaalam nagsimula ng Bagong Baro Senior High School ay ang Master Teacher 2 na si Ginang Bertrado. Humigit kumulang na 12 taon na siya nagtuturo at ipapahayag niya ang ilan sa mga palaman niya patungkol sa ating paaralan.
Founding and establishment. When was the school founded?
The school was built through the effort of the Caloocan City Hall at that time. It was the time of Mayor Recom. In fact, the first building named after him.
What was the motivation or inspiration behind establishing the school?
Probably at that time, the mayor wanted to extend his service in the community through strengthening education.
Evolution and growth. How has the school evolved over the years?
The school evolved over the years progressively and in dynamic process. It was started as the annex school of Bagong Baro National High School. Today, it is a senior high school stand-alone school. In terms of enrollees, it catered first to third year students from the old curriculum. When K-12 implemented, the school was also adopted the junior high school level from grade 7 to 9. Then, it was identified by the SDO to offer the senior high school program. By 2016, there were still senior high school students from 120 students enrolled on UMS and GAS, and the gradual phase out of junior high school levels. Today, there were 455 senior high school students offering academic track, TVL, HE, Cookery, FBS, and BPP. The ICT, illustration, and animation, and the arts and design. The faculty members were 8 teachers plus the OIC principal. In 2019, Bagong Baro Senior High School gained its status as a stand-alone school with 24 teachers, 1 registrar, 3 guards, 2 utilities, and principal.
Notable alumni and achievements. Can you share some information about notable alumni who have graduated from the school? What are some of the most significant achievements or contributions made by alumni?
Senior high school had 4 exits and started in 2016. I guess graduates still finding and searching their own sacred spaces because it was just 8 years ago.
At ngayon, nandito tayo sa Bagong Baro National High School upang may malaman at matutunan.
Fourth year na sila, yung iba bumalik na dito sa main. Kasi wala na dun, fourth year high school. And then mga ilang taon pa.
22 years, 2 years after. Kasi 2013 yun eh, yung K-12.
Tapos ayun, 2 years after, nagkaroon ng K-12.
Ano na, totally wala na talaga junior high na.
Oo.
Kaya, sagutin ko namin sa...
Tapos wala nang junior high na pumapasok doon. Tapos senior high na. Doon merong mga pa doon, may mga nag-iwan na mga teachers. Yung admin, may mga natira. Tapos kami, ako, isa ako sa mga teacher na napunta doon.
Ma'am Dalapas po intervene.
Oo, si Ma'am Taz. Kasi siya yung kasama namin doon. Si Ma'am Ay, si Ma'am Balayo. Si Ma'am Balayo.
Oo, tsaka yung tanong mo kasi
Isa siya
rito.
sa mga pioneers na ano,
Ng senior high
na
doon.
senior high. Sino pa ba yung mga nandun? Tapos, tsaka dumating
Sino
si,
ano?
si Sir Burse.
Kaya.
Si Sir Burse. Sino pa ba? Madami eh. Tapos yung iba kasi, so kailangan na nila mag-upgrade din ng ano, di ba kapag magtuturo ka ng senior high school?
Actually, ang highlight naman dito ng mga tanong nyo, dapat magagaling doon. Kasi sabi rito, question number 1 pa lang eh, when were Bagong Bayan High School and Middle School established? Magkaiba yung date pa lang. In terms of date, ito 1979 to 2011.
Kumbaga yung connection, ang maibibigay lang namin info dito kung paano nagkaroon ng Bagong Bayan National High School extension before siya maging senior high.
Pwede kami magbigay ng, siyempre magagaling yung info kay Ma'am kasi siya talaga yung isa sa mga batch na napunta doon nung nagkaroon ng extension. Ako, may sasagot ko lang dito siguro yung mga latter questions, yung mga bandang dulo. Pero yung ibang mga info about sa pagka-establish ng senior high, masasagot ko yun kasi ako gumawa ng
Siya yung gumawa ng
history.
ng Bagong Bayan.
Dahil nalaman niyo na ang ilang detalye tungkol sa kasaysayan ng dalawang paaralan kung kailan ito natatag sa Bagong Baryo mula sa aming video documentation. Sana ay matutunan kayo. Salamat sa panonood. Bye!